Use the elimination method. Solve the following pairs of simultaneous equation: 3x plus 5y equal to 10 and x minus 2y equal to 7. So how can you solve? So at first we can say there are two equations. So 3x plus 5y equal to 10. This is equation number 1. And x minus 2y equal to 7. This is equation number 2. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. If we want to solve by using the elimination method, then we need to remove x or y at first. If we just multiply the equation number 2 by 3, then we can easily remove x. Okay, so here 1 minus equation number 2 multiplied by 3. Then what will happen? If we use this idea, then we can say it will be 3x plus 5y equal to 10. The first one will be unchanged. And what will be the second equation? We are multiplying the second equation by 3. So 3 into x will be 3x minus 3 to the 6y equal to 3 7 21. Now we are telling that we will subtract. Okay. So here if we subtract, then what will happen? Here if we subtract, then the sign of second equation will be changed. Plus will be converted as minus. Minus will be converted as plus. So 3x minus 3x, that will be 0. 5y plus 6y will be 11y. And 10 minus 21 will be minus 11. So here the value of y will be minus 11 by 11. So here y equal to negative 1. Now if you want to find out the value of x, we can use equation number 1 or equation number 2. It is easier to use equation number 2. So we can say from equation number 2, we can write x minus 2y equal to 7. So we will put the value of y here. X minus 2 into minus 1 equal to 7. Here we can say x minus into minus plus. X plus 2 equal to 7. Then the value of x will be 7 minus 2, that is 5. So we can say the required solution will be x equal to 5 and y equal to minus. I hope you understand this one.